the previous week that passed, okay, we spoke about the fact that we are going to have the market to come down all the way to 590, but did not get to that point. Okay, but the fact that it dropped simply means that we were able to anticipate the direction of the market as at that particular week, so far as all the news are concerned. And the PPI, I mean the previous news, which was PPI, yes, on Friday, shoot it back up there. Okay, yes, so that is it. Now, what I wanted you guys to understand this week, okay, is that I want to make this video a brief one. Okay, so currently we are seeing, let me change the color to black. Okay, currently we are seeing, make it red rather. This touches the trend line, uptrend line here. Okay, currently this is what we are seeing. And the market has come to touch the support area on the uptrend line. Okay, you can see that. So it is going up. Now currently it is around 2,670, 2,657 there about, right? So we still want to maintain the this resistance area. Okay, this is the resistance area. You can even make it 5 here. So okay, let me maintain it the same way. Okay, so let's maintain it. So this is the resistance area. So what I'm expecting right now is that, and then this is the support, the minor support zone. Okay, so you can look at it from the major support area from the trend line, which is this point, this one's. Okay, you can look at it from the major as in terms of the uptrend, right? So we have had all those touches, and then the market, I'm expecting it to make what we call some correction at the resistance area. Okay, either to come back to this support area, which is this place. Okay, before, if anything, it should continue to go up. Okay, so let's take note of that. Now, should the news in the course of the week pushes it to the support area, and it happens to break this trend line, which is this trend line, then it means that we wait for a retest, and this time around we are not targeting the 2,590, but instead 2,530, which is this area. That is if it should. So we are going to take notice of this. Okay, if it should break below the support area. Okay, yes. So in this case, if we are to work with which support to go with, we want to work with this one. So in working with this one, this one, what is that? If we are to work with this exactly, then it means that we are getting to 26, say 26 a minute. Okay, 0 a minute, guys. Let me use this line to see well. Okay, so 600. So I'm using 600. right? So let's maintain it at 600. So support, let's work with this support. Okay, so if the market breaks below this support, okay, so now this is what we are anticipating, that the market will like make some kind of retracement, work with the support over here, okay, as well as this one. So we have the 30, 2, 6, 30, okay, and then we have this one. So I'm having two to work with, okay, yes, or from here, and then it goes. If it breaks below it, it means that we are going to target all the way to 530. Okay, so guys, let's take note of that. Let me clean it and then make it well so you guys can appreciate it well. Okay, so the first and foremost, we can look at it from this place. Let me type it for the purpose of clarity. 2630. For those who are going to scalp, you can work with this digits. Okay, so you can work with this one. You see I have some trend line over here. Okay, this trend line. So the market can decide to come to the trend line and then start like come to the trend line and retest on the trend line and then go again. Okay, if it breaks below it, we still have 600 to 600 as our support area, which is this point. So we still want to go for a buy from that point. Okay, yes, and I'm saying that should it go below the figures I've given you, which is the 2630 and 2600, 2600. Okay, if it goes below that, it means that we wait for a retest and then target 2530. All right, so this is what we will be targeting should it break below it. But for now, anything at all we are dealing with, we should look at this 600 as the support area. Okay, and then those scalping too, so you can use this too, but this is the main support, and then the resistance too, we want to maintain this as the resistance. Okay, now the question one may ask is that if the market breaks this resistance area, which is the 2670, around that point, what do we do? So if it breaks above that, okay, then we are going to target this figure, which is 26 where is it, 6 9 90. I'll target this one, 2690. Right, so this is what I'll be targeting if it should break above the resistance area. Okay, so if price breaks above 2670, okay, what you do is that you wait for a retest and then you buy from there. Breaks above, wait for a retest. Okay, retest. Okay, and then you what, you buy to 2,690. So that's what you target, right? So we work with this once so far. So, but definitely we are expecting the retracement before if there's a breakout, definitely there'll be a retracement first. So the retracement, we target the 2,630. If it breaks below that one, then we look for 2,600 for the next this one, next support, so that we know we have our first support here, then second support, then it goes. You understand? So we work with the temporal one here. If it breaks below it, we buy from here. Okay, but if it breaks below 2,600, then we wait for a retest. We target this one. Okay, yes, and then the resistance still holds. We maintain this one. If it breaks above that, we wait for a retest. We go for a buy. So basically, I wanted us to work with this one. Okay, based on certain factors. What are those factors? Because of the trend line, this is uptrend line, and the market came back to sit on the trend line and reverses. Okay, then we have our downtrend line. There was a breakout, retest, and then went up. So what it simply means is that either it will push a little bit up to the resistance zone and then it comes down to retest, and if it will want to push up, then it will. But we work with these two resistance areas, support areas, 260.30, 260.30, 2630, and then 2600. Okay, so let's be mindful of this particular setup, and then I'm sure we are going to do well. Okay, so thank you so much, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure to subscribe. It so much important. So subscribe so that we will keep the good work, because we know that you guys are always with us. Okay, you can see a minute. You can see for yourself that this is what is happening. It's like within a particular, you understand, and which particular area is within this. The market is within this range, still within this range. Do you understand? So whatever we are doing, we look at that. So one, you're looking at the trend line and then the range. So if it breaks above the range, we go for buy. If it breaks below the range, we go for a sell, and then we target this point. As why are we using the 2534 hour? Because that is where it is likely to come if it should break below what we have over here, and if it breaks above it, it means we should target the 2690. Okay, yes, and it's like almost like 1 month more to go for the US election, and it appears like gold is trying to push all the way to 3,000. So let's see how it goes, but we want to follow the direction of the market. You understand? That's what I wanted you to. We don't want to do things anyhow. We just want to do everything based on the direction of the market. Okay, we don't want to be above, like ahead, then later on it will be something else. We want to follow the direction of the market, right? Yes. So far we can see that it is ranging in a particular area. So if it gets to this area, we expect it to reverse a little bit, come to and then continue. If it breaks it, then we move to the upward direction, right? So let's follow it critically, and then we are going to do well. Thank you so much, and do well to subscribe. Any question, comments, and suggestion, please don't forget to leave them under the comment section below. Okay, and then you can also join my Telegram page, so you can get daily updates as to what we are doing. Okay, all the best.